After finishing all your squares, now you're ready to attach. So wrong side for this one and wrong side for this one, and attach it like so. You can attach it either by sewing or by using your crochet hook and slip stitch. For me, I'm going to sew my sides. So first is I need to locate the middle chain. We have here our chain 3, so I will insert my needle on the back loop of this square. This is the middle chain out of the chain 3, but on the other side I will take the front loop. So I will just insert my needle and just leave my tail like that. So on the square in front of us, we'll be using the back loop, and the square behind it, we're going to use the front loop. So we will end up on the second chain of the chain 3 space on the other corner. Now you see the finish is so clean, so neat. So just continue attaching your squares. So I have started attaching my squares, and this will be like this, a zigzag. So I just need to attach these two, and I made a total of 7 squares. This is for a large size. If you want to make a smaller size or the medium size, you can stop on this group of double crochet, 4 double crochet together, and then after that you can make this one for the corner to make it a little smaller. So I will just continue attaching this 3 over here, and we're going to do our strap. So I just folded this side and meet up with our front square in here. So 2 squares in front and at the back, and we have one on each side and one at the bottom, which will be in our front, and this will be the back. So what we need to do now is I will just be making some single crochet border around, and we're going to make our strap, and then come back and then do our single crochet again until here and do another strap. You have an option to connect the strap after chaining a certain number of chains in here for your strap. You can attach it on the other side, or you can make 2 and then you can just tie it on the top of your shoulder. So it depends on you, on your preference, how long you want your strap to be. So I'm just going to start doing my border of single crochet. I will start doing my border on this right corner. I'll just make my slip knot and attach on this corner. Make a slip stitch and chain off 1. Then I'm going to make single crochet on all the chains. And when you reach the corner, just make 2 single crochet before starting your strap. To make sure you can make a certain number of chains, you can attach it on the other side and you can try it on. Or if you have some top that you can measure the length of the strap, then you can do it as well. So I will just attach this one here for the meantime, make my single crochet, and I will try it on. For this first strap I made 43 chains, and I'll just add a few more. 44, 45, 6, 8, 49, 50. I just made 50 chains, and I will attach it on the other side. Make sure it's not twisted. I will be making 1 single crochet. I will make 1 more single crochet, and I will be coming back towards my strap and make 1 half double crochet on each chain. I just wanted my strap a little wider compared to if I'm going to make a single crochet. But it's totally up to you. So when we reach the other corner, since we made our 2 single crochet already, we're going to make our slip stitch. And continue doing your single crochet border on the sides. You see, although we made a half double crochet for our strap, still looks sexy. So just continue doing your single crochet until you reach the other side, and we're going to make our strap again and do the same thing with the other side. So we have made our border of chain 1 from this side going up, made our strap, attached on this side, and then come back via half double crochet, and then go down again, up, and make the second strap, go down and go up until the back portion. Now we're going to do our border for the back. You can either attach this two with a single crochet along with the border, or you can add 1 button on this side and you can just snap the button just like that. For me, I'm going to just connect these 2 corners as I made my border of single crochet. So I have finished all my single crochet border, and we have done both of our straps in here, finished our joining. I don't have any ends anymore, and I added the fringe. This is about, if you can see, still not done the cuttings. I didn't cut it yet. So this is approximately 10 centimeters long, so it's up to you how long you want your fringe are. So I just combined those 2 colors, the orange and the brown. So now we have done our crochet boho top. Thank you again for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Happy crocheting and God bless.